and welcome to Casa, Cece. This is a new listing for January 2018, and this is a big 4-bedroom mid-terrace townhouse located just above Vinuela village. It's got new services, roads, street lighting, good views as well, and from this kind of level it doesn't look that big, but I can assure you once you get to see inside, it's quite surprising. Okay, so we've sold a number of these properties in the last 6 months. So you've got a nice front porch, which is obviously gated, and leads you into kind of the main entrance hall. So we're going to start at the top, where there's 2 big bedrooms and a bathroom in the middle. Okay, they've both got access onto a big terrace with the view of Mount Maroma. Fits wardrobes as well. Okay, all the rooms have got ceiling fans and nice light tiles throughout. Okay, so this is kind of like the highest level with the most elevated view. But got Mount Maroma, you've got Zafariah Pass over there in the centre of the shot, and you've got this nice big terrace. Okay, it's big enough for sunbeds, tables and chairs, and if you look down, this is the lower terrace, okay, where they've got trampoline, all fully tiled again with drainage. But this one doesn't have a pool, which is not everyone's request. But it's certainly got over 160 square meters of build. Okay, so we've seen 1 bedroom. It's been lived in full time as well, so it's been well kept. This is the bathroom upstairs. Again, neutral tiles, all in good order. Bedroom number 2. Again, with the patio doors leading out onto that terrace, that view. Okay, so onto the road level basically, where you've got 3rd bedroom with ensuite, which essentially I guess is the master. Okay, so this is again, they're all good sized bedrooms, nice long ensuite with a walk-in shower at the end. And then bedroom number 4. So it's obviously the kids' abode. But again, high ceiling, fan. Okay. So down to the living level. We've got another toilet stroke utility. Okay, got a fridge freezer in there as well. Kitchen. So all appliances will be staying. The furniture on this property, as they're actually going to be staying in the area, is not included. But certainly gives you an idea. I mean, there's a big sofa in here. It's a big lounge area, lounge diner, with a side door out into that small covered terrace again. And then that's an open fire as well. Okay, so you've got this nice archway framing the view of the mountain. That's your gas boiler. Kind of enough space for a table and chairs again. And then this leads out onto the main terrace, which is on the lower floor. You've got a big storeroom, barbecue in the corner, drainage, and then useful store area. It goes right to the back there, and also that direction. Okay, so this is a low maintenance, lock up and leave, 4-bed, 3-bath property with everything in order. If you want further details on Casa Cece, this is contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website villasolutions.net, reference Casa Cece. Thank you.